Sawadika! Hi guys! Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm in Krabi. And apologize for the noise of the construction going on behind. It's growing in this area. Anyway, today I can't wait to share you the new recipe, which is gonna be Thai red chicken barbecue. So come over and let's take a look at the ingredients. 1 kilogram of chicken, garlic, coriander root, black pepper, oyster sauce, seasoning soy sauce, palm sugar, food color, red, coconut milk. Let's start with the marinade. So here I use 5 roots of the coriander root. Let me move this thing out from my board a little bit. Then you just chop this roughly so it's gonna be easier to smash them in the mortar. And next, I'm gonna need 25 cloves of garlic. Okay, so let's smash the first 3 ingredients. Coriander roots, Ted never seen me working, cooking. He runs away. Maybe Ted thinks this is aggressive. Next is the black pepper. Good workout, huh? Garlic. And then I'm gonna melt this palm sugar with the seasoning soy sauce and the oyster sauce right away in the mortar. I use 100 grams of palm sugar. I use 5 tablespoons of seasoning soy sauce and 5 tablespoons as well for the oyster sauce. And just need to melt this palm sugar. Perfect. Okay, so let's prepare the chicken and then we can marinate the chicken with this sauce. Today we're gonna eat this red chicken barbecue with the corns. So let me start to put the corns on fire right away. So next step, let's add the coconut milk into this marinade sauce. And now it looks creamy. And we're gonna add a little bit of red color into it. Okay, so let the chicken to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, we prepare the vegetable that we're gonna grill. Okay, so you just put the marinated chicken on the skewers, and after that, you're ready to just put them on the fire. As you can see, the light here changed a little bit because the sun is going down. It's gonna be good time for dinner by the time the chicken skewers ready. Alright, so that's how to make the delicious red chicken barbecue. I hope you will try this with your summer party. So find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. And don't forget to share some of comments, share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. Bye bye! Let's take a look at the ingredients.